Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the internal stakeholders section within the Accounts app in KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Accounts application, he or she can click the required account from the Accounts page. The details view of the account is displayed. The internal stakeholders section can be viewed by clicking the Internal Stakeholders tab. The existing team members are displayed once the section is opened. New team members can be added to the account by clicking on the Add Members button. On the form displayed, search for the team member to be added and specify the designation for the same. Once done, click the Add button for the team member to be added. The user can add multiple team members in one go as well. Once done, all the added members and their details are present in the Stakeholders tab. In order to remove a particular stakeholder, click on the options and select the Remove button. Thanks for watching.